How to explore Snap Map on Snapchat easily. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to explore the Snap Map. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to your Snapchat. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now click on the map option down here in the corner, and right here you will find maps. As you can see, just zoom like this and you will find snaps of the people all around the world. As you can see, you can go to Canada for example and zoom like this and you will find people here, as you can see, but there is more people here in the USA. You can see any of their stories just by clicking on them like this. As you can see, it's very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.